Friends, hello everyone. Welcome to our channel. In today's video, I will show you and tell you how you can clear call history in Facebook Messenger app on your iPhone. Please friends, don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Also be sure to put your likes and write comments after watching this video. And let's get down to our topic. And let's say that if you have a call history with a user in the Messenger app. Let's say you go into a conversation with a person and you have a history of calls. Unfortunately, you can't delete such data in the correspondence itself. In order to delete the history of calls in Messenger application, the only way to do it is to delete the entire correspondence with this person. For this, friends, you will have to swipe the correspondence from the right side to the left. Then tap More and tap Delete. Confirm your actions. This will delete the correspondence from your call history with a particular person. This is how, friends, you can clear your call history in Facebook Messenger app on iPhone. I hope this video has been helpful and useful to you, friends. Please subscribe to the channel, put your likes, be sure to comment. Goodbye.